Hello everyone, this is Subhash Chaudhary. So today I am going to tell you the only and accurate technique to do japa, dhyan, meditation and through these beads, and how to do it more accurately, what is the procedure of doing this, how the real sense doing from what is the traditional way of doing japa meditation through chantings and beads. Actually there are some rules and regulations which you have to follow, and people are really confused about how to do japa meditation through the help of beads and mantra. There are thousands of yoga institutes, they try to teach the students, but I never satisfied from them, like they are doing really wrong. So today I just want to share some rules and regulations. I'm going to give you the tips. I'm going to instruct you how to do traditional, what is the traditional way of doing japa meditation through the help of beads and mantra. My beads, my mala is inside this inside this. So there is the first rule of this meditation, japa meditation, is like you never have to show your beads to anyone, and you can't open this in front of yourself also. Like I never watch this bead in front of me also from my eyes when I'm doing meditation. Like I put my hand inside this, and I know where it is, and I just hold my bead from one point, which I'm going to tell you, and like this, put this index finger outside from this box and from this cloth, and just like start doing like this by repetition of chantra on each beads. Like suppose I'm going to do it right now by closing the eyes. Like suppose there's a mantra like Om Namah Shivaya, so you have to do it like means you don't have to speak this, you just have to do it within yourself. Just your lips can move, but you don't have to speak it, and it is very silent, and you have to just do this like this way. So I'm going to give you the example from another mala. This is a mala, and so I never use this to do meditation, so I'm going to teach you how to do a traditional and correct way of doing japa through this bead. And so what you have to do is just hold the bead. This is 108. First rule is the mala must be 108 plus 1, like 109 beads completely. If it is not 108 plus 1, total 109 beads inside this mala according to Hindu religion. So what I have to tell you is you have to hold this mala like this, and the top one, this is 109. This one, you don't have to count this. Is it going to focus the camera? No, actually I'm recording this from mobile. So this one is 109, so you don't have to touch this, you don't have to go over from this, because this is called guru beads. So this is guru beads, you don't have to count this, and this is 109th one. So how you are going to hold the mala is like this, and you have like you are, for example, you are having a mantra Om Namah Shivaya, so you have to hold this mala like this, and just start doing from here, starting from this one, not from the top one, which is on the top. You don't have to count this, you have to start from this one, so like this, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. You don't have to speak, I'm just giving you the example. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. You are doing this, and I'm going to make this fast forward, and You just keep going, doing, and you come to the end again. So here you are in the end, like Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And you don't have to count this, as I said, the last one, Guru beads. You have to flip the mala and you have to start again from the same point where you are ending. You don't have to cross this, like just flip the mala and again at the same bead and start again. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So this is how you are going to do this, like this, not round way. Okay, so I hope you understand. So this is the most accurate one to do japa from the beads. And so, and this is very secret. Mantra must be very secret. You don't have to speak it so that other one can know. You don't have to share this mantra from anyone in the family even. And mala must be secret, your mantra must be secret, and you have to do meditation inside your room, inside your house. No one is watching you, you are not watching anyone, and your room is closed. There is no sound coming from outside which are going to distract you. And you have to close your eyes if possible during meditation, and thoughts are coming to your mind and you have to remove the thoughts. It is very normal that thoughts are going to come, but you have to concentrate over your mantra and mala, and you have to make the connection with God. So there are lots of things about meditation, like you have to select only one God, which is your main God, which is your traditional God, which your family is following from many years. Like if you are a Christian, no problem, follow the mantra, any mantra of Jesus Christ. If you are Hindu, you can take any god like Hanuman, Shiva, Ma Durga, anyone which is your, like I have my own mantra given by my Guru. It's not important to that your mantra is given by Guru. You can take mantra from anywhere, like from anywhere. There are lots of religious books like Ramayana, Mahabharata. You can take anything. Even you can speak 1 2 3 1 2 3. If you are not, if you don't believe in your God, it will also make your mind very powerful, increase your concentration, and thousands of benefits of doing japa meditation through mantra and these beads. Actually, this beads is. Why these beads is important? This is just a time pass to stretch your time of doing meditation. You can't sit even for like 5 minutes without beads in meditation. It is really hard. So this is like a abacus to the children. Like children are having abacus for learning 1 2 3 or ABC. So this is the abacus of a saint who is doing meditation for a long time. And you have to do meditation for like 1 hour daily till the last breath of your life. The time you left this meditation, it is inactive within the next 24 or few days. So as I told you, this is the perfect and accurate, and so this is the only way of doing mantra chanting and doing meditation through this mala. Like I saw many people are doing and show off their meditation pose while sitting beside the river Ganga in Rishikesh and doing in yoga classes. This is absolutely wrong and useless. You can't get concentration like this. A meditation is there is only one way to do meditation, that no one is watching you, you are not watching anyone, you are not listening any sound, even a sound from river is distracted, and you have to sit properly in your bed and just keep doing after you have a complete sleep. Okay, so this video is especially for the serious people who are really seeking any guru or anyone to get into spirituality, to know the art of living. So this video is very serious, and only for those people who are very serious to do meditation or wants to do meditation. And remember, this is one of the toughest thing in this world. If you are like if I'm going to share my experience, I'm doing it from many years, and sometimes it's really hard for me to sit in meditation, like because this is one of the boringest thing in the world, and but this is one of the miraculous things in the world. If you are doing this, you can come out of any situation. You are the most powerful person of the world. You know who you are, and you start living within yourself. you will become Zen. Like in the Zen movement, you enjoy each and every second of your life, each breath, and you will become a real Mahatma, yogi, a saint. You don't have to find anyone to learn spirituality. You are within yourself everything. So this is the real way, or this is the real thing, I think, which you have to do. This is one of the most important and permanent thing. After many years, like today I get the opportunity to make this video because I'm expert in this and I know how it is to be done. So I just want to share this information and knowledge with you because this is very important, and so that you can also know who I am. And I am just sharing this is one of the most important video. Every time I used to make video on traveling, but I don't get view, and but every time I make video on different things which people don't have knowledge and people don't share videos. So this is one of the most important thing in the world, to do meditation daily for like 1 hour. 1 hour is very important. If you are doing it for like 2 minutes, 5 minutes, this is all useless, completely useless, because within 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 10 minutes you can't control or you can't balance your body. It will take few more minutes to be in proper peace, proper calmness inside. And sometime when I used to do meditation, it took like 30 minutes, 45 minutes to to get the balance, to get the calmness, to get the proper enjoyment of meditation. Otherwise my hearts and my minds are jumping around. And when I used to do meditation for after 35 minutes, 45 minutes, my mind and heart start settling down and they become very peaceful. And then I want to just sleep and just want to relax by closing my eyes and don't want to see anyone. If you are doing meditation for like 2 or 5 minutes, this is completely useless. It is not even activated you spiritualness inside you. So this is one of the basic things which this world must have to know, and you can't escape this. There's no other way to get into spirituality or get into the Zen mode. And this is one of the basic thing. If you are into like this is the only way to activate your whole Kundalini. That's different thing, that it took many years to activate your different points of Kundalini. But the first most important thing which this activate is Muladhara chakra, which is in the lowest parts of backbone, near your hips. And Muladhara chakra is means Kam Vasana, and as you heard, the Kam, Krodh, Madh, Lobh, Moh. So Kam is the one of the most and basic things which must be proven, or you will be going to master after doing this meditation, and then later on the different parts of Kundalini. So this is the most important and the basic thing, as I am saying, doing meditation like this with the help of beads. Some people try to do Dhyan sadhana, which is without meditation. That is very different thing, but this is for the later part. But you have to go through this doing meditation with me, with beads to start to get mastered. First you have to learn this. First you have to do meditation with this. And remember, if you are doing it daily for like 1 hour, then you are an amazing man, amazing person. And if you are not doing for like 1 hour, and you are doing it sometime and sometime no, that's also not going to work. And there are many rules and regulations which you must have to follow while doing this meditation and japa with meditations with the beads. You must have to be a good person, like you have to think a right way. You have to clean your mind, you have to clean your heart. And if you are doing something in your thinking, if you are doing something bad in your thinking, even then it's absolutely not going to work. That's true. There are some rules and regulations of doing this. If you want to activate this meditation with japa, so you have to be expert. First, you have to control your mind, and you have to throw all your dirts. I know it's one of the most difficult thing in the world, but if you try to do it, at least try with simple steps, step by step. And some people have problem with sitting in meditation for like long hours. They just can't sit only for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, 10 minutes. The only solution of this, I want to say you, it's a problem in your food, in your body, because you have to clean your body first. You have to start eating some very nice foods, the quality of foods, the quality of oils you are using in your food. Your food must be very pure. Like start taking juices and fresh raw vegetables, green vegetables, and start drinking more water. Try to walking for like 2 hours by drinking water, so you get purification inside your body, your bones, your heart, your scalp. Everything starts cleaning with the help of water, and you start getting very peaceful. You start feeling very peaceful while sitting in meditation, and it's very easy for you to get peace and calmness while doing meditation, and you can very easily sit for long hours, long times. And so start with 5 minutes if you are beginners, increase day by day like few minutes, and keep doing it till you reach for 1 hour, and then keep doing it for like 1 hour. I know it's very important because people are stuck in their daily life with families, so there are lots of things to do, but at least find the time like before sleeping or after getting up. It's better if you do a meditation before sleeping, because that's the most accurate time which yogis suggested. And I just want to inform you that this meditation and these things is all connected with spirituality, and it is nothing related with yoga. People are counting these things in with yoga. Yoga is just exercise. Keep doing it. It's not going to benefit the way this meditation do, and that's a very different thing. And so hope you understand what I want to say. And this is the only thing you can do. This is nothing, and this is the thing which is not for show off or just to tell anyone that you are doing this and you are doing that. And so this is the only thing which you have to do inside your home, inside your bedroom. Even your family members not watching you, close your doors, and if possible don't close your lights, just close your eyes, and just keep doing this like for like 1 hour. And you have to do it. If you want to be Superman, then you have to do it. If you want to be full of energy, full of power, and this is the only way you can achieve by doing this. This is the only correct way. There is no shortcut of achieving anything. This is one of the most hardest things, and this is one of the this is the real hard work you have to go through, and you can't escape this. This is the most basic thing which I learned from my guru, the most powerful saint, so Dharmatma of India. So this is the only way. Don't listen anyone, don't follow any other things. If you want to be inside meditation, if you want to know who you are and who inside to achieve the most top consciousness level, this is the only thing you have to do. This is the most basic things. And just get your mantra right away from anywhere. Just mantra can be of 2, 3 words or 4 words, and you can take it from anywhere and just keep repeating, like we have Om Namah Shivaya, and anything mantra like this you can make for any god, and you just keep doing this and start your meditation right now. So thank you. This video is just about meditation and this is the basic rules, and that's all for today. Thank you so much.